kick those little legs. Charlotte, where are you? Are you in your bathtub? With your little buddies? You kick those buddies. You kick those buddies? Get them. You get them, honey. You get those little buddies. You put a little buddy on you. There's a little buddy. Hi. Are you gonna go wild in there? Are we gonna go wild? You're grabbing onto your little starfish? You're starting to grab onto stuff now, aren't you? You like that. Hi, honey. You're gonna kick those guys? You get them. You get those guys. There you go. You get that hammerhead shark. You get them. You like to splash in here? I know you like to splash. You kick, you splash. Do Mommy catch you at a sleepy time? Okay.